Hello French lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel Saji Learning for Learning French. In this video, I'm going to teach you the name of some fruits in French language. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with me. We'll start with the famous fruit in all languages, apple. This is called la pomme in French. Repeat after me, la pomme. For example, je mange une pomme par jour. We move on to banana. This is called la banane. La banane. For example, je prends une banane pour le petit déjeuner. The next one is orange. In French, l'orange. One more time? Yes, l'orange, like jus d'orange. What is a strawberry in French? La fraise. La fraise. For example, les fraises sont délicieuses. That's a feminine noun. Grapes are known as le raisin. Le raisin. For example, je mange des raisins. We move on to tropical fruits, like pineapple. That's l'ananas. Are you still repeating with me? L'ananas. Very good. For example, l'ananas est juteux et sucré. Then we move on to my favorite fruit, watermelon in summer. That's pastèque. La pastèque. For example, je mange de la pastèque en été. Do you like to learn cherry in French? La cerise. La cerise. For example, les cerises sont rouges et savoureuses. Do you like to learn exotic fruits like mangoes? La mangue. La mangue. For example, la mangue est mon fruit préféré. Last but not least, peach. That is called la pêche. La pêche. For example, j'achète des pêches au marché. I talk about my favorite fruit. Now tell me, what is yours?